Welcome back to CodeCraft by Mac. In our last lesson, you learned what HTML and CSS are and how they power every website you use. But today we are taking our first real step into web development. By the end of this video, you will have your own mini website running in your browser. No experience required. Before we write our first line of code, let's set up our workspace. A clean, fast coding environment helps you focus on learning, not fighting with your tools. That's why most developers love VS Code. It's free, powerful, and super easy to use. Installing VS Code. Step 1. Open your browser and go to code.visualstudio.com. Download the version for your system and install it like any normal program. Once installed, open it up and you are ready to code. Creating your first HTML file. Click File, New File. Now save the file as index.html. The .html extension is super important because it tells your computer that this is a web page. Writing the code. Let's type this HTML structure. See, first we define the doc type, that is HTML, then header, which is my first website. Then comes the body, hello world, welcome to my first web page, and then the closing tag. This is your first web page. You just wrote your first real code. Now viewing the result. Now right click the file, choose open with, and select your browser. You should see hello world appear on your screen. You have just created your very first web page. For Notepad users don't want to use VS Code, no problem. Open Notepad, paste the same code, save as index.html and open it in your browser. Same result, a beautiful simple web page you built. Avoiding common mistakes. Don't forget to save with .html extension. Close every tag you open. Check your spelling and file name. Congratulations, you just built your first web page. That's a huge step in your journey as a web developer. Comment below, my first website is live, to celebrate. And if you are excited to keep learning, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss lesson 3, where we will break down the structure of every HTML page in detail. This is CodeCraft by Mac. Let's build the web together. Thank you.